Hello and welcome to R&B Models with Rick and Brandy. We're here today to review the kit of the 1940 Ford Coupe, the Coca-Cola themed from AMT. Rick's going to go through everything that's in the box.
Here's a nice painted art piece of the car. At the drag ship, it looks like. Inside it's got a silver Coke car with the red wine tires. You know, your Coke decals. Okay. On the bottom, here's everything that's in the kit, so you know what you're getting. And then here's your red wine tires with your chrome wheels, your hood. You cut a notch in it for your big blower, and if that's what you choose to do. Alright, here's your body. It's all molded. Here's the trunk, firewall, everything molded on it. Got a little flashing that you have to clean up on it. Not bad. Here's the fender assemblies with the running boards on it. You got part of the grill. Looks like you got to add some grill, the lights, like that onto it, and there's your tail lights. Here's your frame, and here's your engine. Two pieces, radiator. Here's a couple hoses. Here's your steering column with some pieces of exhaust. Here's your interior tub, very white etching for like window cranks, and it's got the clutch, brake. It's auto molded in. That spot for the seats right there. Here's your seats, seat back, front seat. Right, here's your stock wheels. It's like I guess for setting your engine on. Here's your part of your chassis, purple on your front end. Looks like a pole bar. Just for your belts. Looks like if you want to have an opening door. Here's for your grill. Roll bar. And here's your hood. And then of course here's where you can cut out for the blower. Here's your front for the front axle. And here's part of your blower set. Here's one intake. You got the choice of either Coke tint windows, or Coke bottle tint or regular, because it's Coke cake. It's up to you. Here's your side windows and one piece front and rear windows, no wind. You got a set of 4 stock wheels if you want to put those on. Or you can put some drag strips on the back. These are red lines. These Firestones, and these are, let's see what's some Firestones too. Let's see. Here's your wheel backs. Of course, here's another engine half molded together. Here's your belt accessories. Here's for your flathead, forward, top belt covers, your heads. I guess this must be your steering wheel, dash, and your rear end, fan, and intake. Here's the chrome pieces. Got some nice Keystone wheels, I like those. Here's your chrome bumper. Here's your rear bumper. Chrome exhaust. Headers. Here's your chrome front end if you want to put chrome stuff on. Here's your 2 bumpers here too. Chrome grill. Here's your chrome accessory belt cover. Here's for your blower. Here's for your chrome headlights. Here's your hubcaps. Chrome valve covers. Gauges. Tack. Lights. Backs for your wheels. Here's for your tail lights. You want to put chrome on them. Here's your decal sheet. You got a choice. We can put the flathead in there, or we can put the like a small block board. Here's for putting the wheels. Here's your chassis setup, interior setup. Of course, here's how to put the body together. However you choose. And of course, that's the finished product. Let's do that. Here's your decal sheet. You got pretty much Coke stuff. You got some STP logo, Champion. So we got Peach State, Georgia license plates. Some Coke bottles. You can put on what you feel.
And that's everything in the box. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you come back again. Have a great day.
Thank you.